Today I'm going to be showing you how to configure ESLint in your Nuxt project using Yarn. So let's open up our Nuxt folder and then open terminal and then npx noxy latest init and then our project name. So it's going to be ESLint Yarn. Okay, then select Yarn. So once that is done, select no and then let's cd to our project. So cd ESLint ESLint Yarn. Okay. And then let's open up our VS Code. So code dot. Okay. And once our VS Code is open, let's go to the Firefox. And then here, let's type ESLint Nuxt. Okay. And then make sure to select the second one. And then scroll down. So we're going to be using Typescript. So let's copy this one. Okay. And then in our VS Code, let's open the terminal. And then yarn add d and then paste. Okay. And then make sure to add the ESLint as well. So enter. So once that is done, let's check our package.json and let's close our terminal. And as you can see it here, the ESLint package is installed and then the ESLint as well. So let's copy the Nuxt TypeScript package. And then here, let's create a new file. So let's name it ESLint RC. Okay. And then here, let's extends. Okay. And then, okay, just like that. And then in our package.json, you might also add here the lint and then um, ESLint dot. Okay. And then go back to our terminal. And then let's yarn run lint. Okay. So once you're seeing this error, it says failed to load TypeScript ESLint declared in ESLint RC, so cannot find module TypeScript. So in that case, let's add the TypeScript. So yarn add the TypeScript. Okay. Okay. Once that is done, let's try it again. So yarn run lint, and it says done in 2.49 seconds. So let's try it. So in our app.view, let's close our terminal and then let's generate our view template. View template and then const test ref hello world. Okay. Save it and wait for this to show up. So once that is finished, it will run the ESLint correctly. So and as you can see it here, our ESLint is working correctly. So let's also try it again. So const, let's see, hello. So ref hello world. Okay. And then our if we declare that variable, for example, test, the error is gone. Okay. So our TypeScript ESLint is working.